welcome to this episode of Dinaz Moment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, turn on the notification button, guys, so as to be notified anytime and every time we upload a video. If you're a regular viewer, a regular viewer, thank you for sticking by. Don't forget to share. Thank you. So you guys, today's video is apropos. I'm coming to you guys with apropos. I'm coming to you guys with I am here with this. It is not something funny. It is actually a really sad story. Well, I am telling it because sometimes when things happen in the midst of the whole commotion, you may not have reason to be grateful, to be appreciative, but after giving it a little time, after about 30 minutes or close to an hour of the whole the whole unfortunate commotion after about an hour of the whole unfortunate commotion, I have had reason, I have had time to think, and that little time that I've had to think have gotten to think about yes, I have summoned the courage to actually share this part of my life. Yes, it is a part of my life that many people do not know. I am not a violent person, but I am this kind of person that I like to fight for my life. I like to, if this is against my rights, like if you're doing this to because I'm a woman, or you're doing it because you can do it, I can't do anything, or probably you've done it to others, and others, the people you did it to did not talk. They had they didn't have reason to fight back, or they were afraid to fight back. I am that one person that I can't fight back. I can't sit calm. I can't tolerate you. I can't tolerate that person that wants to subdue me, that wants to put me down, or that wants to use his or her power. His power in this case. We live in a world of men. So let me not go into long stories. This morning, I had an unfortunate event with Newi youth, Uragu youth. When I was coming to work, it was down my road towards my studio. I saw people that their studios, their shops were demolished, their coverts were demolished. When I stopped to ask the reason, they said it is the people that they built a structure outside of the gutters. I didn't do that. I just had to have a cover on top of my gutter. So when they got to my side, I found out that the reason why they were demolishing those coverts was because those people did not pack the dirt in their gutters. When they made that announcement 2 weeks ago, someone came to a man that usually packs those gutters. The person does the job and then we pay. When he came to do the job, we still had water under the gutter, under my covert. My covert is actually a really long covert. I'll show you the covert later. It's a long one, so there is no way someone could go under that covert and pack and scoop out the water under the covert. So the man had to go, and he was like, he would go and come back when the covert must have dried up. Unfortunately, they came, these youth people, they came, not youth, these touts and criminal, they came before this man could return to do his job. So when they came, they actually checked my gutter. There was no dirt in that gutter. But for some reason, because I am a woman, yes, because I'm a woman, because if it were a man that owns this studio, if this store were a man's store, they wouldn't demolish his covert, even though there was no dirt under that covert. But they still had to do it to show me power. But me, being the way I be and my personality, I could not just stand by and watch them, demolish my property for me. So I started fighting back. In the process of fighting back, I did not win. The truth is that I did not win the fight. Yes, I did not win the fight. And after they left, I felt really bad for having fought in the first place. I felt really bad. Like, I started thinking that the best thing I could have done when they started that violence was to bring out my video, my phone, and start and get an evidence of their injustice, you know. But now that we have gone through the process of treating the case, going to the youth office to report, and you know, and they have agreed to repair what they have destroyed, my happiness is, in as much as I didn't win that fight, that moment, after all said and done, after the process of, you know, when there are some things you just can't let to slide. And I thank God for my beautiful, my handsome husband, because when I called my husband, he was just the one that went through the process of rectifying the whole commotion. So from the whole, you know, going to know the reason why they were fighting his wife and why they were destroying my properties, and you know, so they now agreed to rebuild what they have destroyed. And it has made me like, and I started thinking through the whole commotion, the moral of this, like, I just want to get to a point where I am just so grateful about all of these things that happened. I am so grateful to God for the people that I am surrounded with. I am going to introduce them to you people one by one. So when this whole case started, let me start with Stephanie. Stephanie, come here. So Stephanie actually went to fight one of those men. From behind. Stephanie was fighting one of those men from behind. You see her. And you see, this was actually crying and pulling me out from the fight. Behind the scene, she was fighting one, and then she was crying.